What's up, my beautiful peeps? Don't mind me, I'm sitting here, fresh face, just washed my face, just put some lotion on because I have a makeup package delivery. This is from Morphe, so I figured I might as well unbox it with you guys, and because some of it's new stuff that I've never tried, and do some first impressions. So the focus isn't going to be on this. Let's go ahead and see what's in this package. Okay, here's the inside of the box. Super cute, the packaging. This had my address on it, but that's that. Okay, Morphe.com. I don't know about you guys, but I really have not been into makeup a lot because of having to wear masks everywhere. But if you're somewhere that doesn't have to wear a mask everywhere, maybe this will be good for you. First thing we've got going on here. I needed brushes really bad. Was this in focus? Yeah, when I moved, I couldn't find many, and then plus I have teenage daughters, so yeah, that's the end of that story. But this is the Bring the Beat by Mitchell. If you guys know, he is a makeup artist, and this is his brush collection. It does not tell us the pricing on here, so I can't tell you guys how much it costs. I wanted to tell you that. This is coming with, let's see if you can see, 6 brushes that'll work the crowd. Brush collection includes a silicone glitter packer brush, a firm shadow brush, a pro firm blending fluff brush, a crease precision blender brush, a blunt smudger brush, bent liner brush, and I got a cute bag. These are perfect for me since I'm in Vegas now. I love a good, what are these called? Fanny pack. This is super cute. And with this, so this is like an extra for me. And then it just has a bunch of fluff in it. And these are all the brushes. So I'll put this to the side. Show you guys the brushes. Okay, cute little nice blue makeup bag. This is the silicone glitter packer brush, clearly. Okay, this is probably the firm shadow brush. This is the bigger one. For some reason, it's not in a clear thing. Oh, it's in here. This is the Pro Film Blending Fluff Brush. This is the Blunt Smudge. No. Oh, Crease Precision Blender Brush. This is the Blunt Smudge Liner Brush. And then this is the Bent Liner. So super cute. Next, let's go over this brow kit, guys. As you probably saw from the beginning of the video, who can get their brows done? It's like lockdown, quarantine. You know what I'm saying? If you're in California or on the West Coast, anywhere in, you know, Nevada, we can't just get up and go get our brows done anytime we want to. You may be able to with an appointment, but who knows? But I got the Brow Arch Obsessions 5-piece brow kit. This comes with a micro brow pencil, micro crayon. The micro brow pencil is the micro crayon. Brow cream, brow setting gel, a highlighter stick, and an angle liner spoolie brush. Sounds cute. What color did I get? Java. Ooh, that's cute. I definitely needed a liner spoolie brush. Daughter did something with mine. Here is the, ooh, it comes with the spoolie as well. Let's look at the color. I don't know, guys, it's super gray. Can you see that? Look at the color. Did I get the wrong color? Let's take a look here. Well, it's brown. It's just a really cool tone brown. It's kind of but it'll be good. I like dark. My hair's dark and my brows are kind of light, so this will balance that out. This is the color Java. The highlighter in Oh Brow Baby. Nice. I like a nice highlighter. The brow setting gel, I believe this should just be clear, right? Yeah, super clear to set the brows in place. And here is this. Now, to be honest with you guys, I think I already have this. I thought I was getting a different color. Let's see. Oh no, I don't. I had it. This is the one I've been using, is the L'Oreal Brow Styling Performance in Deep Brunette. But I mean, they look very similar. All right, and did we miss anything in here? No, that was it. So that is Morphe's brow kit. Sweet Peach by Sweetie setting spray. You know I had to get this to rep for the Cali girls. I love a good setting spray, and I love Morphe setting spray, and I'm told this is exactly the same. It's just that peach scent, and it's cute. Right in time for summer coming up. Let me smell it. Okay, I like it. Okay, next we've got 2 pencils. I like to use, look at my hands. I like to use pencils with my glosses for lips. So these are for the lip. This is Gemma. Does not look the same at all. It's hard to, this is Gemma. Does not look the same at all. It's hard to order stuff online when it's not, you know, does this look the same to you? But anyway, let's take a look. So this is for the lip. It's like a gold shimmery kind of color. I don't know if you can tell the shimmer because I don't have a flash on the screen right now, but it's like a shimmer. It's pretty. That look cute with a gloss, right? And then this one is okay, and then this one is Caviar. Oh, that's a little bit more copper than I like, but I'll see. Okay, so this is the box. This is the last of what's in the box, and these are 2. This is Morphe's baking setting powders. I love Laura Mercier. I even love Airspun. I mean, let's see. This one I've been using lately is from, what was it from? Anastasia Beverly Hills. But I have to use this when I'm tanned and all over my face. I needed something for like under eye because this is darker. This is Deep Peach. But it's a good setting spray. I mean, setting powder. So let's look at these. The translucent one. I mean, it's just a translucent powder. So let's see. Let's see how fine it is. I mean, it's not super fine. It's not as fine as like the Laura Mercier, but I mean, it's like the Airspun, honestly. That's what quality it's given me. Nice and smooth, right? Okay. And here is the banana. I think it's like light banana. Let's see, what is it called? Oh, it's just banana. They had a deep banana as well. So I was thinking that this would be a little bit lighter than the peach that I have, because the peach, like I said, I can only use that when I'm tanned. And I'm out of, when I moved here, I couldn't find the top for my Laura Mercier. So I threw it away and didn't buy a new one. And then my daughter has the Airspun one in her room. So I really needed something like quick. Ooh. It's a tiny bit yellower, but it looks good. Blends good, not cakey looking, dusts off well. Nice. And if you guys want to see a look that I came up with my new stuff, then keep on watching. Okay. So yeah, don't forget to, now as you guys can see, I'm not dressed for the day. I like to wear like raggedy t-shirts and stuff when I do my makeup, because as you know, makeup does not come out of clothes, and I'm sick of trying to get makeup stains, and I'm a messy makeup person. But this was it. I actually loved everything. I don't think that the caviar, no, which one? The Gemma is for me. It's a little bit too light, but the caviar ended up just perfect with the KKW lip. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and ring that bell, and let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see from me next. Bye.